Can we find a diet that is not only healthy and respectful of environmental limits, but also highly attuned to your personal preferences and choices? This challenge, finding a diet that meets nutritional, environmental, and societal demands, is what we attempt to address in our chapter. When we talk about health, we talk about moving away from the consumption of nutrient-poor diets, ones that may meet the minimum caloric requirements, but generally exceed it, and crucially, lack the essential micronutrients that you require. And as we see now in the COVID-19 pandemic, some of the most vulnerable populations are those that are already weighed down by diet-related diseases, such as diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Nutritional security is more important than ever. And on the other hand of the scale, we need to consider the impact of our current food production practices on our already depleting natural resources. We carefully have to consider the cost of our current practices on the water and carbon footprint. In a world that is already struggling with water scarcity and exceeding its carbon budget, we cannot afford to lose sight of this. So to identify such a delicate diet, we require a nexus approach, one that carefully considers interlinkages between agriculture, environment, and health. And this is what we explore in our work.
So what did we do about it? We built a cloud-based machine learning-based mobile app that is currently available in both Apple and Google Store. Our system is composed of two main components. The first one is the data, the second one is the machine learning model. The data, we have integrated tens of international nutritional food databases together, and we built, as we speak, the largest nutritional food database in the world. And then we have taken this data set and we feed it to a recommendation engine. Similar to shopping websites, we have millions of food products and we have potential billions of customers. And we wanted to build a recommendation to recommend to our clients which food to eat. And then we built the nudge algorithm. The nudge algorithm will nudge our clients from the current category that they have right now to the next best sustainable food category. By putting all of this together, we put on top of that the image classification model. Enables the user to snap a photo of their food, they will get the nutritional content of it, and then will be able to make an informative decision based on their sustainable food diets.
What we present is not a one-model-fits-all solution. It's not a single type of diet for you to consume. It's a platform that's built on an expanding database of global foods and eating habits that intuitively advises you, the consumer, based on your dietary habits, your lifestyles, your community. So using these AI-assisted solutions, we aim to accomplish three things: to support communities in making informed choices on the food they consume and plan for balanced and healthy diets, to build a culture of transparency on food that is produced and marketed globally, and to allow producers and consumers to engage with each other and have these conversations so that they can measure the impact of the food that they consume together. All of this is based on the wisdom of our food traditions. It's based on the experience of the research community. And most importantly, it's based on societal connections. So COVID-19 will, without a doubt, impact and change our lives in ways we can never imagine. And crucially, it will affect food, the way it's produced, the way it's accessed, and how we prepare it. So armed with the knowledge that we put at hand, we hope that you join us in celebrating and embracing food systems that are respectful of both human and planetary health.